Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll be showing you how you can fix your Google Play Store has stopped issue. Now, if you're experiencing the unfortunately Google Play Store has stopped error on your Android device, you can try following this step. The first thing is a simple restart can sometimes resolve temporary glitches or issues with the Play Store app. So all you have to do is hold on to your side button for about a second and then you can restart your device, and after restarting you can try opening your Google Play Store, and that should be able to fix your issue all at once. Or else, if you're still unable to fix it, then you can long press on your Google Play Store and then go to the app info icon, and here you can go and clear cache as well as storage. So for that, go to storage and cache, click on clear cache as well as clear storage, and that should be able to fix your issue all at once. However, if that's not working out, then you can try updating your Play Store. So for that, you need to open up the Play Store and then tap the menu icon located in the top right hand side corner, or the three lines icon, or just go to the profile or name and tap the settings button. After that, you need to scroll down, and from there you need to go and tap on Play Store. Then you need to go to about section, and from here you need to go to Play Store version and click on update Play Store located right over here. After that, you need to click the got it button, and that should be able to fix. If that is also not working out, then you can also check the date and time. For that, you have to open up your settings and then go to the date and time. Make sure that your date and time are set correctly, including the time zone, and enable automatic date and time and automatic time zone if they are disabled. Now you can also disable or re-enable the Play Store. So for that, you need to go to the Google Play Store or go to the settings, and from here you need to go to apps and notification, then see all apps, and here locate Google Play Store. Now tap on the disable button. Now go back to the settings app and tap on the enable button after you're done restarting your device, and that should be able to fix the issue. However, if you're still unable to fix it, then you can try updating your device itself. Go to the settings and then tap the system button. See whether you have any update available or not. So here you need to go to system update, check for any update available and install them if promoted. If the issue persists after trying these steps, you may consider contacting the Google support for the further assistance, or performing a factory reset to your device as a last resort. So that should be able to fix the issue all at once. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.